Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To set up your HP ProBook 15 with two 4TB drives in RAID 0, follow these detailed steps. First, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a spudger for safely opening the laptop. Start by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the installation process. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place. As you remove the panel, use the spudger to gently pry it off, being cautious not to damage any internal components. Once the back panel is off, you'll need to locate the hard drive bay. Here, you will find the existing drive. Carefully disconnect it, and if there's a caddy, remove it as well. Before installing the new drives, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal area. This helps in maintaining optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. Now, install the two 4TB drives into their respective caddies. Make sure they are securely connected and properly seated in the drive bay. If you don't have the tools or expertise for this installation, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your hardware is set up correctly. With both drives in place, reconnect any cables and secure the drives with screws. Reattach the back panel, ensuring it fits snugly, and screw it back into place. Then, reinsert the battery. Next, power up your laptop and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the designated key during startup, usually F10 or Escape, depending on your model. In the BIOS, navigate to the storage configuration settings. Here, you will need to configure the drives for RAID 0. Select the option to create a new RAID array, then choose both drives. Follow the prompts to set the RAID level to RAID 0, which will combine both drives into a single volume for better performance. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the BIOS. Now, your laptop will boot into the operating system. You may need to initialize and format the new RAID volume within your operating system's disk management utility. If you encounter issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, making it easy to get your device fixed without any hassle, no calls, no travel. Once you have formatted the RAID volume, your HP ProBook 15 is ready for use with the new dual 4TB drives. You can now enjoy improved performance and storage capacity. Lastly, if you ever need a quote before repair or further assistance, feel free to contact us. Your satisfaction and the optimal performance of your devices are our top priorities. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.